Hey, this is Brennan from TEKTON, here to show you how to use the TEKTON 24 330 3/8 inch drive torque wrench. First, the torque wrench has a two-piece scale with the main scale on the handle body and the micrometer on the knurled handle. To set the torque wrench, loosen the lock nut at the end of the handle. This torque wrench has increments of 5 foot-pounds on the main scale and 1 foot-pound on the micrometer. I'll be tightening the header bolts on our engine, which has a manufacturer's torque setting of 25 foot-pounds. To set the torque wrench to 25 foot-pounds, turn the knurled handle so that the 0 is on the bottom of 25. Lock the torque setting by tightening the lock nut. Then you are ready to go. It is important to use a torque wrench slowly and steady so you do not miss the torque setting you want. When the desired torque setting is reached, you will hear a click. Do not continue to move the torque wrench after you hear the click, or you can over-tighten the nut or bolt. When you are finished, make sure you store the torque wrench at the lowest setting to maintain accuracy.